crazy ass box.
This is wild, man. Everybody give them a like. This is very unique. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. We're at the Sundown show getting demos.
That's definitely louder than what it was.
Oh man, dude, you're flexing a lot back there too.
How you like that, Jacob?
That's awesome. And it's uniquely different the way that is designed,
Yeah.
the way you did that.
Yeah.
Is there a way I can see the back? Real quick. Let's go check it out. Everybody go ahead and hit the like button.
I want to get some. Freaking dog bit me yesterday.
Oh man.
We got in there.
Oh, it's all inverted.
I want to get inside your camera.
You're good.
Cool.
Have you tried mounting them regular versus inverted?
They were rounded regular before, and then it seems to be a lot louder this way.
Wow.
That port goes all the way to the front of the box.
Dog bit me.
So is this considered just a ported box? Or?
Well, it was. I had this in the back last year, but I kept tearing my door up. So I built this extension onto it. It's sealed up. So the port's into that now.
Yes, sir.
Turned me like almost like into a six-order laying down. And using the rest of the truck as the cabinet.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, it sounds good.
It's got 180 fill fiber flex all through the roof and everything.
That looks good. Yeah.
So it makes it quite stupid.
Wow. Can I get a demo?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Are you here too? With your truck?
No. We drove 6 hours.
I drove
Yeah.
5.
5? Oh, man.
Kentucky. You know my channel? You put my name on the end of your channel.
You're Bass Junkies, right?
Yeah, Bass
I remember
Junkies
Bass
2020.
Junkies. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a demo, too.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll definitely catch it.
Yeah, he's right there. He's right.
I need to find a bass knob. Mine's messed up. It works, but I gotta hopefully a vendor.
So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Robert Guy, and I've got 4 U15s, an Assault 8K, and the VFL 400, 500.4,
Uh-huh.
4 6.5 PRVs, and 2 PRV tweeters in here,
Wow.
and a crazy ass box.
This is wild, man. Everybody give them a like. This is very unique. Oh, yeah.
So next year it's going to be a 4th-order box right behind the seat.
Really?
The
Okay.
415s are going to be right here.
Yes, sir.
And then we're going to wire it to 1 ohm.
Okay.
And get the full potential of that amp, because right now it's wired at 8 ohms, so I'm only pushing 1,000 watts.
Oh, you're wired way up.
I'm wired at 8.
Wow. Okay.
So I'm wired at 8.
Yes, sir.
It's right at around 1,000.
Yeah. Oh, man.
And it does 151.2 off the window at 1,000 watts.
Wow. Efficient.
At 46 hertz.
Have you tried wiring it down just to see?
I'm scared to.
Yeah.
You can already smell them with 1,000.
Yeah, so when you...
I've got so much box rise with that box.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have to shrink the box to get more efficient.
Yeah, got it. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just did of Robert's insane system. I call it the Impossible Box. This was the previous thumbnail video. I went ahead and put the previous link in the description if you want to see that video. This is before he added on the baffle and his subs weren't inverted as he was talking about. As well as I've actually already posted one of his system videos with his new system right here, the upgraded video link in the description as well. So if you want to check out that as well, he has a walled 6th order bandpass enclosure for 2022. This was at the Sundown show in 2021 for this demo, so actually getting to uploading it a year later. So let him know what you think about his system, Robert. Shout out to you. Everybody comment, let him know what you think. I really like the uniqueness to this box. Definitely a different style. I actually don't know what it's called. I think it's close to a no-wall 6th order bandpass enclosure style, but being that the subs are actually more in a ported stage with a back lining wall on it, it probably more is an offloading wall system. No wall system, sorry. But I don't know. Maybe somebody could give in the comment section what kind of box this is. It may be just a standard ported box with an extra little fancy baffle look to it. Or it has that extra long extended port, which was playing down into like the low 20 hertz frequency ranges when he gives us this demo. And he's going to give us 3 different songs in this video to see how it sounds with the lower and higher frequency. So shout out to everybody watching my daily cardio videos. Consider subscribing if you haven't already with that notification bell on. And let's go ahead and get to the demo. ready.
Lower.
Thank you for the demo, man.
That's a lot different, man.
Oh, yeah.
So next year it's going to be a 4-quarter box behind the seat.
Really?
And
Okay.
415s are going to be right here.
Yes, sir.
And then we're going to wire it to 1 ohm
Okay.
and get the full potential of that amp. Because right now it's wired at 8 ohms, so I'm only pushing 1,000 watts.
Oh, you're wired way up.
I'm wired at 8.
Wow. Okay.
So I'm wired at 8.
Yes, sir.
Pushing it right at around 1,000.
Yeah. Oh, man.
And it does 151.2 off the window at 1,000 watts.
Wow. Efficient.
At 46 hertz.
Have you tried wiring it down just to see?
I'm scared to.
Yeah.
You can already smell them with 1,000.
Yeah, so when you...
I've got so much box rise with that box.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have to shrink the box to get more efficient.
Yeah, got it. Awesome. Very good job, man. I appreciate the demo. You have a good day, man.
Hey, you too. I'm glad to see you.
Yes, sir. Subscribe, everybody. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.